Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here in front of you 2007 Toyota Camry, approximately 173,000 miles on the odometer. The owner brought it to the shop for replacing the license plate bulbs. We did that in different video, but while I was checking all the lighting, I discovered that the owner didn't realize that one of her headlight bulbs is out. And see what is happening. So that's a low beam which works. This one is off. What's about the high beams? Aha! Now I see. Interestingly, oh, look at that. The high beam doesn't work here and works here. So when she brought a car, when I was going to test the lighting, she actually had it in the high beams. These are the low beams, high beams. So not only she had a bad bulbs on the rear license plate, she has multiple problems in front. Okay. You can grab a vice grip like this, knowing that the shocks are damaged anyway, and you can just pinch it. One of the sides, I see the oil. How can I show it to you? Knowing that they are damaged, and squeezing it cannot damage anything anymore. This is one of the ways you can deal with it if you have the same problem. Before you will go and purchase the new shocks. There is oil visibly on both of them. I can see it. It's wet. If I will sweep this, I will get wet. So let's go back to this light and see how easy or difficult it is to replace that bulb. First I will go and get rid of all of these pine needles. And I put the light here, so hopefully everybody can see exactly what I will be doing. So if you look from the other angle, basically the bulb for the low beam, it's right here. It's the easiest one to get to. This will be here on the bottom. That's the high beam, which I will have to deal on the other side. But this side and video will be probably about a low beam bulb. So you will be turning it. And it will go this way. You will take the wiring harness and move it towards to the outside, if I'm correct. Yep, look at it. So hopefully again you still see the details, and now it comes out, and that's the bulb when it's brand new. That's the bulb which you don't want to be touching the glass when it's brand new. So when I will be putting it back, you cannot be touching and putting your oil which is on the skin on it. This one looks completely black and broken. So to remove the bulb, you just unclip this connector and pull it out. I cannot be holding the camera, so I will just put you on the tripod, squeeze that tab and pull that bulb off. So this is what we got, and that needs to be replaced. Now what it says, what is the model of this thing? It's a Philips, and the very top text, when you look at it, it says H11. So I will look if I have this bulb here in the stock. I will try to show that burn. Oh, it's so easy to see. Do you see that? The wire which was providing the light, it's burnt. And there is the mark on the glass. So easy to see. Yep, there's no question that the bulb is bad and it's not the wiring harness coming to it. Here are just options what you can get when you go to the store. As you can see, I made marks 2013 Prius, 2010 Prius, so it's not just Camry, 07 Camry. All what matters is that it says on the back H11, which it says right here or right here. So whatever you choose for your vehicle, the basic, all the brightest, blah blah blah, whatever, there are price differences between these, and it's totally up to you what you will grab. And what I will highly recommend you is don't grab that glass portion with your fingers. Avoid that. Basically the best is to, as you are comfortable without the wiring harness, it's the easiest to put the bulb inside. You remember the angle? It was towards to the outside. It's like a 45 angle, and then you turn it down. Now I have it installed, and it was easy to maneuver without that short wiring harness which is on the bottom. So that helps me not to touch the bulb. Now click all the way the harness, and now we can go and check if we fix that low beam on the passenger side. Yep, it's very easy. One low beam, a second low beam. So we fix that, but we remember we also have to deal with the high beams, because when I push the lever and I have the blue indicator for the high beam, I will be missing one of them. So here it's both, but here the inner part is not working, and the battery is in the way. Fun. Put the light on again. So this is the low beam. We just did that on the other side, and down there a little bit the battery is in the way. That's the high beam. That's the bulb, and again that wiring harness connector. So I will reach there from here. I will use my hand to get there this way, and I will put down the camera and I will unhook it. Now it will be turned again. I believe I need to turn it this time towards to the center of the vehicle. So look at it. Up. And it will come out. Oh, what happened to that? Oh my goodness, we need to look at this bulb. It probably, aha! Look at that milky area here. The bulb completely melted itself or something. Wow! Well, maybe this way. Yeah, look at it. Look at this bulb. That's in pieces. I looked inside the headlight. It's not like flooded with water or anything. It seems to be totally normal. So I will go ahead, replace it, and hopefully everything will work correctly. This one, when you look on the back, it's a 9005. And as I had marked everything again, Prius, it says high. So 9005, it confirms this is a bulb for high beams. I will use the same precaution, installing it without touching that glass. Turn it. It's basically reverse of removal. You start from that angle 45, then turn it towards to the outside of the vehicle and connect and click that wiring harness. And let's admire fruits of our labor. I'm assuming you are looking at the low beams. Nice, both sides are running. And now, high beam. Look at us. We did a good job, didn't we? I'm pretty positive many of you will find this video helpful in the future. If you do, please give it a thumb up and stay tuned. I have way more coming your way from this shop in the future. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.